In the news, Trump Media and Technology Group DJT down 12.68%. Gapping down following the second presidential debate of the 2024 U.S. election, where Republican nominee and former President Donald Trump, the company's namesake and majority shareholder, faced off against Democratic nominee and current Vice President Kamala Harris. The chances of a Trump victory dropped to 47 cents on online prediction market PredictIt following the debate, with Harris's chances rising to 57 cents. GameStop Corp, GME, down 10.41%, trading sharply lower pre-market following its earnings report. The company reported GAAP earnings of 4 cents per share, better than an expected 1-cent loss, but sales of $798 million fell below the estimated $895.67 million. Net sales in its hardware and accessories, software and collectibles segments all dropped on a year-over-year basis. GameStop also disclosed $4.2 billion in cash and equivalents at the end of the quarter, announced a $20 million stock offering, and opted not to hold a conference call for Q2. Palantir Technologies Inc., PLTR, down 2.33%, trading lower pre-market following 2 days of strength on the announcement of its addition to the S&P 500, effective September 23rd. On Tuesday afternoon, Barron's reported that Chairman Peter Thiel is planning on selling up to $1 billion in Palantir shares, and Cathie Wood's ARK Invest offloaded 124,626 shares, worth $4.3 million after the bell. Crypto stocks are down by 3.12%, trading lower as a group in tandem with Bitcoin and Ethereum prices, following the U.S. presidential debate. Though cryptocurrencies were not discussed throughout the debate, Republican candidate Donald Trump has positioned himself as pro-Bitcoin throughout his campaign. Coin, Mara, Mestiar, Ethi, Beto, Ebit, Riot, Hut, and Klusk are among the key players affected. Amazon.com Inc., AMZN, is up by 0.41%. The company's Amazon Web Services, or AWS segment, announced plans to invest $10.45 billion in the United Kingdom over the next 5 years to build and operate data centers. The aim is to contribute £14 billion to the country's GDP by 2028 and support over 14,000 jobs. Tanuja Randuri, a managing director at AWS, highlighted factors such as environmental considerations and the use of artificial intelligence driving demand for cloud services globally. Tesla Inc., TSLA, is down by 0.42%. The company is set to host its robotaxi launch event on October 10th in Los Angeles, according to investor relations head Travis Axelrod. Bloomberg previously reported that Tesla was planning on holding the unveiling at the Warner Brothers studio in Burbank, California. However, the specific location of the event has yet to be disclosed. Solar stocks are up by 5.97%. They are trading higher as a group following the second U.S. presidential debate. This boost is driven by lower U.S. Treasury yields, which reduce borrowing costs for expansion. Investor optimism also rose as market prediction sites priced in increased chances of Democratic candidate Kamala Harris winning, with market participants anticipating policies favorable to the renewable energy sector under her potential administration. Stocks like ENPH, SEDG, RUN, Maxon, JKS, FSLR, and CSIQ are all benefiting from this trend. Dave & Buster's, ticker symbol PLAY, is up by 13.33%. The stock is trading sharply higher pre-market following its earnings report. Adjusted earnings for the second quarter of 2024 came in at $1.12 per share, above estimates of 84 cents. However, sales of $557.1 million missed expectations of $560.646 million, and comparable store sales dropped by 6.3% on a year-over-year basis. CEO Chris Morris highlighted the company's quarterly revenue and adjusted EBITDA growth and reaffirmed its commitment to strategic goals, including remodels. QU Live, ticker symbol QH, is up by 109.02%. The stock is gapping up after gaining more than 300% to close out Tuesday's session. Initially, the stock rallied on increased retail interest, despite a lack of an apparent catalyst. On Wednesday morning, an SEC filing revealed that Cloud Alliance dissolved its 25.96% stake in the company. BioKey International, ticker symbol BKYI, is up by 20.24%. The stock is continuing to trade higher pre-market after rallying on Tuesday. This uptick followed the company's announcement of new orders valued at $500,000 from an unnamed government defense ministry. The stock has a market cap of $3.96 million and a float of 1.79 million shares.